Foshan City, Nanhai District, Songgang Sui Fa Food Company Limited is a professional company which has 25 years' experience in candy bubble and chewing gum. Our factory covers 24,045 square meter, which includes 2 workshop building and office building. Our factory has imported numbers of European automatic production lines, which enables us to upgrade the standard of product and shorten the production time. Inside our workshop, there are facilities to control the quality and temperature of goods. Besides, special quality inspector is equipped in order to ensure quality. Our company already passed ISO 2200 HACCP Halal certification. We are willing to meet the needs of special certification from our customer. The production from our company has been exported to South America, Eastern Europe, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and other regions. Our company is cooperating with many famous enterprises. OEM, ODM orders is accepted. Our goal is to provide our customers with the most cost-effective health and safety of food for customers to create the highest value. Every year, our factory imports the latest technology from Europe to improve the competitive advantage of our company. The Department of Sales doing market research annually and develop new products based on the information. We accept the suggestion from customer to improve our product and service. Sui Fa Food will always be there waiting for your corporation.